Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit your Spotify profile from your mobile device. So first of all, open your Spotify app or go to the website spotify.com. Here I'm opening Spotify app. I haven't logged in my Spotify app, so for login I'll just tap on sign up free, enter my email address and go to login. Here I've already saved my password and email address, so Google verified it and logged in easily. Now at the top right corner you'll see settings icon, tap on that. Below you'll see your username, tap on username where it's written view profile. Now right below your username you'll see edit profile option, tap on that. Now if you want to change your photo, just tap on change photo and you can choose your photo from gallery or you can just take on new photo. Here I want to choose from my gallery, so I'll just tap on choose photo. Now you must always Spotify to access photos, media and files on your device, so just tap on allow. Now choose any photo you want to make your profile photo, so I'll just select one and tap on use photo, which is at the bottom of the screen. So here you have successfully edited your profile. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.